Did you know that without maximum power point tracking, or MPPT, solar panels often waste significant power? This inefficiency leads to higher installation costs and premature battery failure. Let's explore how MPPT can save you up to 50% on costs. MPPT algorithms find the optimal voltage for maximum power output. Popular methods like perturb and observe and incremental conductance each offer unique advantages. Ideally, each panel should have its own MPPT controller to minimize shading issues. By using individual MPPT controllers, each panel operates at peak efficiency. This approach reduces the complexity of handling multiple panels and ensures consistent power output. Explore the inverse SEPIC topology for effective MPPT implementation. Sensors and PI control loops play a crucial role in managing the algorithms. Microcontrollers are essential for precise control and efficiency. Understanding the role of microcontrollers helps in managing MPPT algorithms effectively. They ensure that the solar panels operate at their maximum potential, even in varying conditions. MPPT not only reduces initial investment, but also extends battery life. Proper implementation requires a deep understanding of converter specifics to optimize solar applications from just a few watts to hundreds of watts. By implementing MPPT, you'll maximize solar efficiency and reduce costs. This technology is crucial for anyone looking to optimize their solar power systems effectively. Ready to take your solar solutions to the next level? Visit our website to download the app note and start optimizing your solar applications today. Let's harness the sun's power efficiently together.